Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using for the first time and reviewing Revlon's One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. So you guys have probably seen this all over YouTube. It's a super famous and popular product. I've been wanting to buy it for ages and I kind of just bit the bullet the other day, got it on Amazon Prime and said, we're gonna try it out. So I got this one here, the blue one, first of all. Like the color better, and then all the other pink ones that are like the normal one that you see everywhere, they were all knockoffs on Amazon, and not that it really matters, I'm sure they're pretty much exactly the same thing, but I really wanted to review the actual Revlon one for you guys. So this is the Revlon one. I don't know why this one's blue, but kind of like it better. So comes with a cord, obviously, and there's a heat function, either off, cool, low, or high. So it looks pretty straightforward. It's definitely a lot larger than I expected it to be, not gonna lie. And it's got kind of like an oval shape to it. So we're just gonna dive on in and get started because my hair is kind of drying by the second. I wanted to make sure my hair was almost dry before doing this, just because I feel like it's probably exactly like if you were to give yourself a blowout, you want to make sure that your hair is really kind of close to being dry, otherwise you're just going to damage your hair a ton. So I just have it up now, but it's nice and like damp still, almost dry. Some of the areas like near the roots and the ends are a little drier. So I've already gone ahead and put in some heat protecting serum. So this one right here, Prep Rally by Drybar. And then I put some leave-in conditioner just on my ends to make sure that they're nice and soft and not like frizzy or dry. So we are now gonna just get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna section my hair off. I've also kind of brushed it, but it's probably good to not have some tangles in your hair while you're trying to do this. And I'm sorry, I'm gonna try to make eye contact with you guys, but I need to look at myself while I'm doing this in the camera and in the mirror over there, so just bear with me. So we're gonna do small little sections and then just clip them up. There we go. Okay, so small little sections like this. I'm just gonna kind of brush it out a little bit before with my regular brush. So I've actually been wanting to purchase this for about a year and I don't know why I just haven't gotten around to it till now. Probably partly because we've been in quarantine for a good 6 months, but I just kind of decided why not. The only thing I will note, the one that I got, there's just a little spot here. It's hard to see. You can see that this section here is kind of flipped up. So personally, this happened in the box for me. It's not really a big deal, but if you're a picky person, maybe something to consider. I'm gonna turn her on. So that was cool. I'll show you low. Ooh. And high. Ooh. Okay, so it's definitely blowing some like hot air. I'm just gonna dive on in because I'm really excited to see how this works. So let's go. Okay, we're gonna turn it off for this first piece here. This is what it did, one pass over. I kind of just put it in and slowly just kind of curled it and pulled it out, just how you would if you were giving yourself a blowout. So it's pretty straightforward. I feel like you could also just kind of do it straight and not have it little kind of like flippy at the end, but I definitely want that little flippy look. So we're gonna keep on doing this and see how it goes. Okay, so So we have the first layer done. That took like literally no time at all. Like compared to me regularly doing this, not at all. I like how it's nice and flippy. I definitely think I should have maybe let it dry a little bit longer. I'm gonna go over it just a little bit because it's not 100% dry. And I'm not quite sure if I should be holding it and doing the same section over a couple times. I'm gonna kind of trial and error this a little bit and see what works best. So I'm just gonna make sure the roots especially are really dry, and then we're gonna take down the next section and do that. But it's definitely going so much faster, and my hair is nice and smooth. So yeah, we're gonna keep going and see. Okay, so it definitely feels drier now. Oh my god, I apologize for my dog. She's in such a mood today. She's barking at every car that drives by. I don't know. But yeah, so they have this part up here that if you're pulling it out, either you just keep your hands here or you would hold this top here. I definitely think, let's see. Yeah, so the middle part does get very hot. Automatically, I just wanted to like touch the middle part, and I need to kind of rewire myself not to do that. Of course, if I burn myself, I'll learn very quickly not to touch that part. So just be very careful. The middle part is really hot once you've been using it for a while. But this brush definitely really grips my hair really nicely, so I can actually like pull it out and have there be a bit of tension, because I find when I do it myself with just like a round brush and my blow dryer, there definitely is not enough tension, and I do like an okay job, but this is doing a pretty good job so far. I'm like pretty impressed with it. So yeah, we're gonna keep going. My dog just walked in and is scared. Come on. But he's too afraid to come see me now as well. Do you want me to hold you? I'll hold you. No? Okay. Okay, so here we've got the second layer. Now, I definitely think my hair is a little frizzy, and I don't know if it's because I have a lot of breakage, as you can see here. Like, I don't know if it's like accentuating this breakage that I have, or if I don't know. We're gonna do the whole thing and then I'm gonna comment on it when we're done. I don't think it's like fully dry either. I'm just gonna keep going over it a little bit, I think. Oh, thank you. Ugh. There we go. Can you say hi? Say hi. Are you afraid of the blow dryer? Are you gonna be in the thumbnail for the video? Are you gonna be in the thumbnail? Gonna be in the thumbnail? Can I have a kiss? No, no kisses for me. Okay. Okay, so I just went over it like straight a few passes and it's looking way better. Like, I don't know what I was doing before, but the ends are like flippy and it's all dry here and it's actually smooth, and okay, this is doing what it's supposed to be doing right now. Okay, think we just have one, maybe 2 layers left. I have like quite a bit of hair. But I'm loving it so far. I think any problems I'm having as far as like frizz or just like flippiness goes is probably just because I am not like super used to using it yet. So I definitely think I'm gonna need a little bit of practice. It is very user friendly, mind you. It's definitely easier than like using a round brush and blow drying your hair, especially at the back. Oh my god, like I used to just like, if I'd round brush my hair, I would kind of just like brush and blow dry my hair at the back and just like call it a day. Like I just always kind of like half-ass it at the back. But this, let's see what it actually looks like at the back, but I feel like it would probably look good, right? Like I was actually able to get up here and like have it like be nice. So yeah. All right, we're gonna finish it up and I'll give you my full review. Okay, so my hair is all dry now. I think I'm just gonna go over a few times at the root because it's a little flatter than I would like, but it looks like healthy and bouncy, and it definitely does a way better job than I could ever do on my own with like a round brush, and it takes way less time. I get way less frustrated too. Like the black part gets really hot, but because of the bristles, they don't get hot. You can actually still place it like on your lap and it doesn't burn your lap. So like, or on your counter, knowing it's not going to burn the counter. Otherwise, it's also really easy to just like grab the section of hair that you know you need and like not even having to put it down. So I'm just gonna quickly see if I can get a bit more volume in the root. Again, it's my first time ever using it, so I think that's more of a me problem and not so much of the tool problem. So I'm gonna try and I will be right back. So that was a bit of a shit show, sorry guys. There's definitely a bit more lift now in the root. I think it was just still a little bit damp on my root, so it was weighing it down a little bit, but here is the final result for you guys. Okay, I can't stop touching it. It feels so soft. So this is what we're working with here. Beautiful, like super soft and very, very sleek. I was a little worried that when I first started, it was a little frizzy up top. I think maybe I just have a ton of breakage under here, kind of like mid-root, maybe from wearing super tight ponytails like 90% of the time. So that could very well be the issue instead of, you know, this. But yeah, it feels really good. It's all dry. It is sleek and like really soft. I'm just gonna show you guys the back. I think it's a little damp right here still, so if that looks a little wonky, that's probably why. Okay, so I definitely love it. I don't know why I waited so long to purchase this product. It would have saved me so much time and so much headache because this is the look that I want to achieve like most of the time and I just never quite get there. It definitely, I think, would look really, really good on someone who has like a bit more layers in their hair. Right now I've just got blunt and then like a few really, really long layers and then just a couple face framing layers, but if I had a couple more layers, I think it would look even better because you'd really get like that voluminous look. But yeah, you guys, what do you think? I'm gonna link the product down below. I got mine from Amazon. I will try to find a link that is not Amazon. I'm not sure where else you can buy them. I couldn't find them locally anywhere, so that's why I opted for Amazon, but it's not like my favorite place to shop, you know? I would rather support like a smaller business than Jeff Bezos, but here we are. So I will link the one that I bought on Amazon, and then I will also try and find another link for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. The review is in. It was so worth it. I should have bought it a year ago when I wanted to. Alright you guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and go check out my other videos if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.